Hey guys, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. Today I'm going to show you an issue I ran into when doing 360 tours using the Ricoh Theta Z1 and our Monopod here. I'm going to put a link to all these items that I talk about in the description of the video, so you'll have it. But the issue is that throughout the day this battery goes pretty quick, and sometimes even throughout a shoot it can get down low pretty quick. And when you mount this on the thread, you'll see that we can see the USB-C port, but we're not able to actually get a plug in there. And so here's the plug, and it's not going to fit in there. So what's the solution? The solution is I got on Amazon and I purchased some 1/4-inch thread extenders. And I wasn't sure what size I needed, so I bought two. Here's the first one. This one is 4.72 inches, so almost 5 inches. And it was just under $18 on Amazon. So we'll tighten it down here, and then we'll put it on the monopod, like so. And now you can see we have plenty of room to attach our USB-C cable. But this extends it, about 5 inches, which is kind of tall. So on Amazon, the same link, there's a second version which is about 2 1/4 inches, and this one was just under $16, so a couple dollars cheaper, but it's a lot smaller. So we'll put this one on, and we'll tighten it down. And then we'll plug our USB-C cable in, and that one fits perfect. So I think for most uses I'm going to use this 2 1/4 inch extender. So I'll put a link in the description to it, and in another video here shortly I'll explain my solution really for charging this Theta Z1 or any 360 camera throughout a shoot. And that doesn't include using this big brick. This is a 26,800 milliamp hour battery pack. It's kind of bulky. And if you put it on here, it's going to be seen, I think. And so I have another solution that doesn't include using this one. So comment below if you have any questions. If you like this video, give it a like. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And if you find this video useful, please share it. Alright guys, thanks for watching.